Abejo muri kabare bashaka kuhindura ahantu tekateka no kufayo kureba ngo bakora izina rirungi bacuri mu myanya yibarukuramu. Senkungu yashobora nkoko mugenzi Bishop Ruwum yafire gukoresa obukuru bwe okusyaho bwebembezi obu na hatensiyona erikumwishikiraho.
Standing for peace. How many of us have something that we stand on and we are ready to die for? How many of us? Very few.
Ogu yayoreka ngo kushoma utari kubasa gukora emyoga erikworeka okwetegereza kwawe aho kurukoma nakyo nikiteganisa munonga kandi kituma okushoma kwabo n'omugasho.
21 years of education, you can't even keep your body clean. 21 years of education, and you can never make even a simple bar of soap. Even when you study saponification in chemistry. 21 years of education, and we are still putting on second-hand clothes, including underpants.
Wabura kushaboku Reverend Agran Wagaba or chaplain w'ishomereri yabereka ngo Bishop Janan Ruwum akaba ari mwembezi w'omutano ow'ensiyoneri kwesimisa.
Bakamucaho umushango utanga kwiho gavumenti nibo babiri bamucera n'abahaziga rero biri na mukaga cyo kwezi kwa kabiri kumigwenda shanju na mushanju yayitwa
Reverend Wagaba yashabeje kufayo kugira rukundo erimu no kwehayo koko Bishop Ruwum yakozire.
That we give God the glory for sacrifice, we give God the glory for commitment, we give God the glory for integrity, we give God the glory for the truth. Let's give God a very big hand clap for sacrifice.
Omumakuru gandi abantu nyamwingi bitabira mu kushabakiro kya Janan Ruwum ahari St Paul Cathedral Ibanda ubwo bakujaguze kireki omukoro gwebembiro Bishop Magezi Amos kandi aherize birabombana abakozireje ebigezo by'Amushanju. Amos Magezi Bishop wa Northwest Ankole Diocese ashavorire ku Ruwum yisrwabwa amazima.
President Amini akamutera amasasi yamwita aho kwa kana agamba amazima akanajumirira imico mibi
ayonjire yahiga abashomesa okwetwaza nk'abashomere
umanye uruhu aho kushomesa full stop abana bari abanyigana bashitana n'isho gabo tinshonga yana bashoma n'iki konganize kusho kabanyigana full stop.
Bishop Amos Magezi yashaba abantu kusima Ruhanga ahabw'ekyo bari n'ekyo batari.
I have ever told people that if you cannot thank God for what you are, thank God for what you are not. Kono tarakwasa kusima mukama abw'ekyoli omusima abw'ekyotari.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Job n'amanya Apuri na Ruth n'ensima abwa tayari West.